How to earn money using Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Binance. So let's get started. What you guys have to do is simply go to Binance.com and you'll get on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows us to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. We know that we can obviously sell crypto on Binance and we can buy crypto and it helps us make money as well. But do you know that there are different ways we can make money using Binance where you don't actually have to buy crypto, or you can actually earn or win crypto for free, and that will actually help you make money for free. So let's jump into it. Now, once you get to Binance.com, this is where you will get the first thing that you will require is to, of course, register for the platform if you have not, or if you have already an account, then you can just simply log into your Binance. Now, this is my Binance.com, and I'll show you how we make money. So it's really easy to actually check the earning ways, that different ways we can earn money on Binance. Well, the option is given right here. You can see we have this panel right here, which gives us all the options available, and then we have earn right here. So now it gives us all of the different options that are available on Binance to make money. So I will be telling you about these different ways we can make money. So let's start with the first one. Go to earn, and then we have Binance Earn. Now, what is Binance Earn? So this is Binance Earn, and right here what we can do is we make money with simple high yield and auto investment. With auto subscription, we can actually save with our coins and we simply make money. Now there are different options available when it comes to auto investment, when it comes to savings and stakings. So we have different coins available. All of the popular coins are given on Binance. Okay, so before we get into everything, how to earn on Binance and what are the different tools and what are the different options, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm showing you around how we make money on Binance, but crypto trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto, and staking and trading involves a high degree of risk. So you will actually have to get a good understanding of all of it, and then you can start. So this video is not a financial advice, and this is just a tutorial for the platform. That being said, let's continue. So we have all of the popular coins right here. You can see we have AXS, then we have BNB, DOT, there are AXS available too. So now you can select any kind of coin and then you can stake, and then we have other options as well, such as savings and farming. Then we can go with any of these options, such as in savings, we have savings, BNB Vault, and auto invest. In staking, again, you have locked staking, DeFi staking, Ethereum staking, and all of the others. Then we have farming. In farming, we have liquidity, swap, and launch pool. So these are the different options that we will be getting on Binance, and we will be able to, earn our profits and earn different rewards using these coins. So all you have to do is you automatically invest and you hold your coins, and after that, you simply make money with rewards that are given to you. And each coin will have its own rewards depending on the value of that coin. And at the time of making this video, these are going to be the different ESD APY. These are the different percentages given, and you can select any of the different coins, such as popular coins. We have new listing, we have Polka Zone and Solana Zone as well. So if you want to calculate your crypto earnings, now this is where I will show you how to calculate. So for example, you have, first of all, we choose from token from here. So you're gonna select any of these. For example, I'm gonna go with BTC, Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is, let's say that I have 30 Bitcoin and then I am interested in. Now we have fixed and flexible. If you go with flexible, then these are going to be your estimated earnings. And if you go with fixed, then this is what you will get. Let's go with flexible first. So I went with flexible, and we have flexible saving right here, which is going to be 0.10% to 5% based on tire rate APY, of course. Now my estimated earning is right here, given here. I will be earning plus 0.101. This is going to be my estimated earning that I will make with this right here if I am doing a flexible saving with my crypto right here. So now I'm not doing anything. I'm just earning with the coins that I already have. I'm not selling them. I'm not doing anything. I have just saved them. But crypto will actually, Binance will actually help me make money with it. So you can see right here, this is going to be my earnings, and this is the rate right here, 3 years. If you want to go with 1 year, then this is is going to be for 1 year, and it's actually pretty good. This is around about, I think, $800 right now, according to the rate. So this is like $800 to $900 right here that I can make, and this is like completely a reward that I will be earning on Binance. So this is the option that we get, and it's actually pretty impressive how we can make money. Similarly, if I want to go with fixed, right, this is actually where you get very easy idea. If you're a complete beginner, from here you will be able to understand what I'm doing here. If I go with fixed, right, first we went with flexible, now I'm gonna go with fixed, and it will show me again my earnings. Now earnings for fixed is actually a little higher. You can see right here, now it's like, I think, $1,000. First it was 800 to 900, and now it's above 1,000. So you can see right here that this is my earning, and this is what we got, and this is the DeFi staking right here, 8.19% duration, 60 days. Now this is actually for 60 days. If we go with 1 year, then it's gonna of course increase, but it involves more risk because it's going to be fixed, and of course staking and trading involves a high degree of risk, so you will have to be careful about it. If you want to check out, these are all protected. If you want to go with high yield coins, if you want to go with high yield actually has higher potential rewards and opportunity to receive higher than average gains, but this corresponding risk to have invest cryptocurrency. Now if you are earning more, this is actually, I would want to say, if you want to make more with crypto, you will have to take a higher risk. That's the whole story of crypto. And if you want to invest, if you want to, earn in millions, you will actually have to risk for millions. So that's how it works. Now, this is our dual investment option right here. And we went with high yield this time, which has high potential rewards for us. Again, we have coins. First of all, we have BTC. BTC is pretty hot right now. Target price 20,000 right now. It is in rupees. So then we have estimate APY right here, 234.48%. And this is settlement date. So you can just subscribe to this, and then you will earn rewards. All you have to do is just subscribe. And for subscription, all you have to do is just, subscribe, and you should have your account on Binance. So there is also a liquid swap that you can go and add, and this is going to be the reward that you will be earning in BNB. Then we have DeFi staking. So you can see right here, this is the current price for BTC coin. So it's like 19, and it's pretty low right now at the time of making this video. Well, one BTC is actually just 20,000. This is the price right now, but you can see right here it's updating every second. Then we have Ethereum. So let's go with Ethereum from here. So with Ethereum right here, the target price is 1,000. This is the APY settlement date, and I can just subscribe to it. Similarly, we have BNB, Solana, Polygon, which is a Matic, Dot, BCH, FTM, and Near. This one is the new one. So you can subscribe to this one as well. Now you just subscribe, and then you will be able to earn rewards. Again, we have this option given here. So this is like a overall view of how you can make money on Binance. Now on Binance, we not only have savings and we not only have staking, but we can also go with different lotteries that happen on Binance, and we can actually win points for it. That's actually a different thing. We can earn crypto for free with different rewards, and we can actually buy, just like lottery works. In simple words, you just buy, if you have some coins, and for maybe 3 BTC you can actually go for 3,000, and you can simply earn different crypto coins as well. And of course, you then trade them, sell them to make money. But it's really easy, and you can actually check out all the options available on Binance.com. Simply go to Binance.com and get to the platform, sign up, and you will also be able to enjoy first month of trading for free, and you will be able to earn a cashback of $100 as well. You can start trading and saving. Just keep in mind it involves a high degree of risk, and you should learn and understand crypto better before you do this. But if you do, then you have a lot of different options right here. With just subscription, you will be able to earn and make money on Binance. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.